Hey there, welcome back. Brighten Up Sunshine here, where every day is a new beginning. Today we have an interesting subject. Who does not want to save more? Who does not want to live better? Well, I have some simple budgeting strategies for financial freedom we're going to go over together. Here at Brighten Up Sunshine, we believe that every day is a new beginning. And today we're talking about how to save you more, how to live better, and how to simply budget. Here are some strategies that can lead you to financial freedom. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances, or you just want to make the most of your money, you've come to the right video, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Okay, it's essential that you have to understand your financial situation. You have to, no matter how much you don't want to. And I know some of you simply don't want to, but you have to sit down with yourself and access your income and your expenses. You have to know where you are, and then you have to figure out where you want to go. So to start with, you're going to need to understand, and I do mean this, you're going to have to know where you stand financially. That means you need to track all the sources of your income. And this is going to include your salaries, your side hustles, and any passive income you might have. And then we're on to the next step, which is taking a close look at your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses like your rent and your utilities, and variable expenses such as your groceries and your entertainment. And this is going to give you the clear bird's eye picture of where your money's going. When you did this, did you realize where your money's going? Is it for the coffee in the morning on the way to work? Is it the laundromat? Would you save if you bought a washer and a dryer? Okay, by creating a financial snapshot, you can do this, and it's going to make at least you understand where your money's going. Maybe start plugging in the holes so more of it stays with you. Now we're going to create a financial snapshot. Make a simple spreadsheet or use a budgeting app to create a financial snapshot. This is going to help you visualize your income versus all those expenses, and it's actually going to highlight where you can cut back. Number 2 is we're going to set realistic budgeting goals. Once you've got a grasp on your current situation and you know where you are now, well, it's time to set some realistic financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term. Maybe it's saving for a vacation, or maybe it's long term, like buying a home or building a retirement fund. Write the goals down and then keep them visible. This is going to help you to stay motivated and focused on what you want to achieve. It's essential to keep them visible. I don't care if you have to put them on a vision board. I don't care if you write them down on a piece of paper and you stick it in your wallet, or you stick it in your pocket and you transfer it with your clothes, your new clothes, every single day. You want to get it out and look at it and make it visible. Goals are like your destination point. If you get in the car without a GPS, and you don't even know where you're going, you're just driving around aimlessly. Goals, keeping them front and center, viewing them every single day, is going to let you realize every choice that you're making, is it getting you closer to that goal, or is it taking you away from it? So after you set those realistic goals, you want to prioritize your spending to align with the goals. This might mean you have to cut back on dining out or subscription services in favor of saving more toward the goals that you have wrote down that you just happen to be keeping with yourself every single day and viewing them. There are all kinds of popular strategies for budgeting, and here's just one. Feel free to tweak it to your needs. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple formula that is suggesting that you allocate 50% of your income to your needs. Remember, that's your food, your shelter, your water. 30% to your wants. That's your coffee in the morning. That's, all the entertainment that we spend on. And 20% to savings and debt repayment. Now, again, I'll go over that your needs are going to include the essential expenses like home, roof over your head, groceries in your belly, and wants, which cover non-essential items like entertainment, dining out, and savings that can be directed to an emergency fund, retirement, or paying off debt. Again, while the 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point, feel free to adjust these percentages to fit your lifestyle and your financial goals. So if you have high expenses or significant debt, you might want to allocate more to saving or debt repayment. Regularly, you have to review your budget. Make it a habit to review your budget every single month. This is separate from the goals you carry with yourself every single day. Check if you're sticking to your spending limits and whether you're making progress towards your financial goals. If you find that you're consistently overspending in certain categories, well, it might be time for you to adjust the budget. You're going to find once you start budgeting that you're going to adjust it regularly. And even when you go a long time with the same budget, eventually you're probably going to readjust it again. So that's okay, and that's totally normal. Just remember to celebrate the small wins. As you make progress, and you will make progress, don't forget to celebrate your small wins. Whatever you've saved, whenever you've saved just a little, even if it's like an extra $100, an extra $50, whatever your goal is, okay, set your time to celebrate. So say mini goal, I'm going to celebrate when I have an extra $100. And every $100 I'm going to celebrate. Eventually, you're going to find you have a lot of $100 and a lot of celebration going on. So then you'll want to up it to, I'm going to celebrate every time I have $500. And then you're going to adjust as needed. But it's so important to spend time celebrating the small wins. And then if you keep it, what that's going to do is keep you motivated on your journey to financial freedom. And just acknowledging how far you've come. That's measuring. It's so important to measure and celebrate your progress. It's not about perfection. It is about progress. Well, thank you guys for joining me on the journey to financial freedom. And by understanding your financial situation, setting realistic goals, and actually implementing effective budgeting strategies, and of course, tracking your progress, you're going to save more, you're going to live better. And remember, guys, every step you take brings you closer to achieving your financial dreams. If you found this video helpful, well, then go ahead, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos and valuable content like this. Check out the channel. A new video should be popping up. And remember, the sun always rises. See you in the next video.